Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Zerion Wallet application on your mobile device. To log out of Zerion Wallet app on your mobile device, first of all, open the Zerion app and make sure that you're inside your wallet's homepage. From the homepage of your wallet, tap on your profile avatar or your icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, click on App Settings. Under App Settings, tap on Manage Wallets. All of your wallets that you have will be displayed on the screen under Wallets now. Go ahead and choose a specific wallet by tapping on it, and then, before logging out or removing your wallet, tap on Recovery Phrase under Backup. You will then be able to see your recovery phrase displayed on the next page. Go through the information and tap on Show Recovery Phrase, and after you reveal your recovery phrases, write it down in a piece of paper. If you want to learn how you can back up your recovery phrases, you can check out other videos on our channel. You will be guided through a step-by-step process on how you can back up your wallet for Zerion and never lose access to it. After you've backed up your recovery phrases, get back to the Wallet Info page and then tap on your wallet one more time under Wallets. Now, tap on Remove Wallet and click on Yes Remove in the pop-up. You will need your recovery phrase to import this group of wallet in the future, so once you have backed up your recovery phrases, there should be no problem gaining access back to the wallet again. So let's tap on Yes Remove and you will then be redirected to this page. You have then also logged out of your Zerion wallet on your mobile device. This will effectively log you out of the selected wallet. If you need to log out of all wallets, repeat the process for each one. And that is how you easily log out of your Zerion application in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.